people out there. So I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and that's the question which is in front of us. In class number 11, basically from chapter number 1, that's our first question if you look at your NCERT. In this particular question, they have asked you that calculate the molar mass of the following. We are having these three molecules over here, and they have asked you to calculate the molar mass of the following. So the first question which comes in our mind before calculation of the molar mass is itself that what is molar mass. So let's start from the basic. Mole is actually a quantity. Now for the students who does not understand what is a quantity, let me give you an example. What if I asked you to bring me 1 dozen of tennis balls for playing? So how many balls you're going to bring to me? The answer is quite simple, 12 balls. If I asked you that I need bananas to eat and the quantity is 1 dozen, how many bananas you are going to bring for me? The answer is quite simple and it is the same, 12 bananas you are going to bring to me. So we got the fact from here that dozen is a quantity. Just like that, mole is also a quantity. 1 dozen of any substance is having 12 units in it. Just like that, 1 mole of any substance is having 12 units in it. Let me tell you that how many units 1 mole is holding in itself. Just like 1 dozen is having 12 units in it, 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 units. Let's say I'm having 1 mole of hair on my head. So how many hair I'm having in my head? The answer is same, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hairs are on my head. What if I ask you that I'm having a factory which creates 1 mole of tennis balls in a year? So how many tennis balls I am having? So the answer is same, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units. I hope that you have understood that what 1 mole means. Now what if I'm having 1 jar over here and that jar is having water inside it? What is having a chemical formula H₂O, which I am writing over here, H₂O. In a single molecule of H₂O, we are having 2 hydrogen atoms which are chemically binded to one single oxygen atom, and the mass of a single molecule is called as molecular mass. Before calculating the molar mass, we need to understand what molecular mass means. Molecular mass means mass of one molecule. Let me write over here. Mass of one molecule is referred as molecular mass. Now to calculate it, what we are going to do, we are simply going to add the masses of hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms in a single molecule. The mass of one single hydrogen atom is 1 unit. The mass of another oxygen atom is 16 units, and the mass of the third hydrogen atom is also 1 unit. So we are going to add them, 1 plus 16 plus 1. The answer is going to be 18 units. That is the molecular mass for one single molecule of water. Now what if I tell you that we are having the same jar which is upholding water inside it, but how many water molecules are there? So I'm going to say that there are total 1 mole water molecules inside it. It means that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water are inside the jar. Now what is the mass of this 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules? That is equals to the molar mass. I hope you understood it. Mass of one single molecule is called as molecular mass. On the other hand, mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of anything. It can be water, it can be hydrogen gas, or it can be any other element. Okay, if I'm saying the quantity is 1 mole, it means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of anything is present. So molar mass can be defined as the mass of 1 mole of anything is called as molar mass. To calculate molar mass, we are having a simple trick. First of all, we need to calculate the molecular mass of that substance, and then we simply are going to calculate molar mass of it. Now let's come back to our question which we were having, that calculate the molar mass of the following. The first molecule here which is present is H₂O itself. So as I told you, before calculating molar mass, we need to calculate the molecular mass. So let's start our question and let's solve up this numerical. What is the molecular mass of water? To calculate molecular mass, as I told you, that how many molecules, how many atoms are present in this molecule. In a single molecule of water, we can see that we are having one hydrogen atom, we are having one oxygen atom, and we are having the third hydrogen atom. Let's add their atomic masses. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit, the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 unit, and the atomic mass of the third hydrogen atom is also 1 unit. So here is our answer, which is 18 unit. It is the molecular mass that we have calculated. Now to convert molecular mass into molar mass, what we exactly need to do is, we need to keep the magnitude same, just copy down the magnitude which is 18 and only change the unit. Change the unit U to grams. So here is our answer, the molar mass of water on your screen. Similarly, we can calculate the molar masses of carbon dioxide, which is our second sub question in this particular question, to calculate of the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Now class, imagine that we are having carbon dioxide gas inside a jar and it is asked us to calculate the molar mass of it. So as I told you, before calculation of the molar mass, what we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate the molecular mass first, then we are going to convert it into molar mass. To calculate the molecular mass in a single molecule of carbon dioxide, we can see that we are having two oxygen atoms which are combined with one single carbon atom. So to calculate the molecular mass, we are going to add their atomic masses. The atomic mass of one single oxygen atom is 16 unit. The atomic mass of another oxygen atom is also 16 unit, and the atomic mass of the third carbon atom is 12 unit. Our answer will be 44 unit, which is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Now to convert that into molar mass, the simple trick which I taught you is that we are going to keep the magnitude, which is 44, as same, but we are going to change the unit from U to grams per mole. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram per mole. I hope you understood what I taught you in the class. If you are having any of the queries or any of the comments you want to make, you can use the below comment section of our YouTube channel to tell me that if you're having any doubt in this question. I can even simplify it more if you want. It depends on you. So if you're having some question apart from this, you can also post it in the comment section, and I'm going to solve that up for you. I hope you understood it, and we are going to see each other in our next question and next query. Till then, have a nice day, class.